Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best sealant for wood you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best sealant for wood in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Minwax Helmsman Spar Urethane. This wood varnish forms a protective barrier against rain and moisture to protect your projects and keep them looking their best. Special oils allow the finish to expand and contract with the wood as seasons and temperatures change. Minwax Helmsman water-based Spar Urethane is a crystal clear wood finish that is specially formulated to protect against nature's toughest conditions. Ideal for use on doors, windows, trim, bathroom cabinets, bar tops, kitchen countertops, outdoor furniture and more. It's a versatile water-based spar urethane that dries quickly and cleans up easily with warm water. Give your wood projects a sleek finish with this semi-gloss clear varnish. It protects the natural beauty of the wood and offers a long-lasting, semi-shiny sheen for a modern look. It's ideal for use over light-colored woods and stains. Specially formulated protective clear finish for exterior or interior wood that is exposed to sunlight, water or temperature changes. For details, let's watch more. Our second best sealant for wood is ReadySeal 112 Exterior Stain and Sealer. ReadySeal is a variety of highly protective sealers for wood projects. This is an oil-based stain and sealer in one, and it soaks deep into your wood to add color and heavy protection from the elements. It forms an excellent waterproof seal while remaining breathable, preventing cracking and splitting. It also provides UV protection and mildew resistance to keep your projects looking new for longer. Rain will beat on the surface of your deck or other projects because the formula visibly resists water penetration. This will provide a visual indication of when your wood should be resealed. I discovered that the UV protection is even better than the waterproofing, and I noticed no fading even after prolonged, continuous sun exposure. This stain will protect the surfaces for about 2 years before they need to be resealed. This comes in 1-gallon cans and will cover approximately 125 square feet per gallon. It's best suited for medium-sized projects, as the high cost may make staining larger areas prohibitively expensive. This stain is too thick for a garden sprayer, but it can be applied with a brush, roller, foam pad, or HVLP sprayer. Third pick in our list is ReadySeal 512 Wood Sealer. ReadySeal stain enhances the natural beauty of the wood, allowing the texture and grain of the wood to remain visible. This stain is an oil-based, semi-transparent stain and sealer in one, suitable for all your exterior wood projects. It is a unique formula that penetrates deeply to protect and preserve wood from the elements such as mold, mildew and damaging UV rays. The ReadySeal 512 Wood Sealer is one of the most affordable wood sealers on the market. The variety of tints is reason enough to consider this product. Every single one of them is stunning. The application is also fantastic. Even if your painting skills are rusty, it will blend well. This one has your back. You'll need to apply 2 coats, which isn't a big deal considering the quick dry time. The shades do a fantastic job of emphasizing the beauty of the wood grain. That alone makes this product worth considering. It does a good job of protecting the decking from the elements and rot over time. There is no clumping during application. May be applied using sprayer, roller or brush onto the wood surface. Requires no back brushing and will never leave runs, laps, or streaks. Requires no wet line application. The product will blend itself and can be applied in any temperature range for proper application. Number 4 in our side is Seal Once Marine Penetrating Wood Sealer. The best overall product on our list was the Seal Once Marine Penetrating Wood Sealer. The key is in the name, it works well when moisture is a problem. Moisture can kill a deck faster than almost anything else. So, Seal Once is a one-of-a-kind, long-term solution. It's a commitment that justifies the higher cost. Even better, because it is water-based, it is environmentally friendly. That means no need to be concerned about VOCs or ventilation. This sealer will be devoured by your deck. It's also a waterproof finish, which can help your deck last longer. If you intend to stay put for an extended period of time, we recommend balancing the cost with the investment. For details, let's watch more. Last in our best sealant for wood list is Eco-Poly Polyurethane Sealer. The Eco-Poly Sealer is formulated to be highly durable. For best results and optimum sealing, apply a minimum of 2 coats on the surface for an elegant gloss finish. Made with water-based polyurethane, this gloss finish sealer is virtually odorless and dries faster than oil-based counterparts. This polyurethane sealer for wood, floor, and concrete surfaces provides scratch, crack, moisture, UV and chemical resistance, ensuring a long-lasting sheen for your indoor and outdoor projects. Excellent for applying a protective wood finish to your furniture, cabinets, decks, and wood floor. It can also be used as a masonry, concrete driveway sealer, and concrete floor sealer. The Eco-Poly Wood and Concrete Polyurethane Sealer is made with advanced plant-based urethane technology and bioemulsion resins. It is free of toxic off-gassing, VOCs and red list chemicals.